Meaning of ethnologist.
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 Ethnologist. An ethnologist is a social scientist who studies human cultural practices, beliefs, and behaviors across different societies and time periods. Through research methods such as participant observation, interviews, and archival analysis, they aim to understand the unique characteristics of different cultures and how they shape people's lives. Ethnologists may specialize in particular regions or topics, such as religion, kinship, or material culture. Their work can inform fields such as anthropology, sociology, and history, and contribute to a deeper understanding of the diversity of human experience.